I recently came across these videos where everyday objects explain how they work.
I'm not slow, guy. I'm overheated. Every tab you open steals a little more oxygen from my processor. Heat kills
And the crazy part? Channels posting this type of content are getting millions of views and insane engagement. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these videos yourself using free AI tools and zero cost. Let's begin. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Apps, then go to GPTs. Search for Object Talk and select the first GPT model you see. Click Start Chat. Now simply type the object you want your video to be about. For example, I'll type ball, then hit enter. This GPT will generate text-to-image prompts for your main object, plus 4 related object characters. It also gives you a 10-second animation script for each one, which is exactly what we need. Next, copy the main prompt from the GPT and head over to Flow. Click Create with Flow, then New Project. Select Create Image. Change the model from Nano Banana to Nano Banana Pro. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and leave the output at 2. Now paste the prompt you copied from ChatGPT and generate the image. Flow will give you 2 images. Download the one you like the most in 2K quality. Repeat the same process with the 4 additional prompts to generate the rest of your object images. Now that all images are ready, it's time to turn them into videos. We'll still use Flow, so don't rush to close the page. Change Create Image to Frame to Video. Make sure the model is set to Veo 3 Fast, the aspect ratio is 9:16, and the output is 1. Click the plus icon to upload your first image. Crop it properly and save it. This step is very important, so pay attention. Now, in the prompt box, type something like, "The object is saying," then add 2 brackets. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the 10-second animation script, and paste it inside the brackets. Send it. Within a few seconds, Flow will generate a clean, smooth video. Download and save it. Follow the same process to generate videos for the remaining images. Once everything is ready, it's time to put it all together. Open your video editor and import all the clips. I'm using CapCut. Add all the videos to the timeline and apply smooth transitions so everything flows nicely. Don't add any background music yet. Export the video. When you're ready to upload, add a trending sound or background music inside the platform itself. This gives your video a much better chance of going viral.
I'm not just kicked in, I'm controlled. Spin, force, angle, fade, that's the science of a curve. Kick me wrong and I'll betray you.
You think I'm light? That fuzz controls air drag and speed. Ignore it, and I fly wrong.
Grip matters. My grooves guide your fingers and control rotation. No spin, no shot. Angles decide everything. One clean hit transfers momentum perfectly. Miss by a degree, blame yourself.